Okay, this is not here. Please come here for the presentation.
Lucia!
Okay, here are the pictures. Okay. Okay, next we have Mandak Giant Ray. Give your gift to Aurora Celestine. Go to Celestine. Okay, thank you. Okay, next we have Roble John Connor. Give your gift to Brian Isabel. Where's Brian? You can't see her. Where's Brian? Give it to Brian. Okay. This is John Connor. Give it to Brian, John Connor. Okay. Next we have BJ Saudan. Give your gift to Hassan. BJ. Okay, give your gift to Hassan. That's okay. Next we have Kawili Hassan. Give your gift to Astrid. Where's Astrid? Okay. Next we have Gilling Siegfried Anthony. Okay, you give it to Asher. Okay, next we have Ambes Aviala. Give your gift to Ariana Christine. Ambes Aviala Marie, give your gift to Ariana Christine. Okay, next we have Cassis Ariana. Give your gift to John Connor. Where's John Connor? Okay. Okay, next we have the guy who is himself. Give your gift to MJ. Priya, give your gift to MJ. Where's MJ? Okay. We have Ekawaji and Ashley. Ashley, give your gift to Precious. No, where's Precious? Okay.